Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the professional edition of the Dilmah Real High Tea Challenge 2013. My colleagues on the panel of judges and I will be looking for excellence in tea. Everything from the presentation of the table, the theme that you may wish to adopt, to the teamwork amongst the professional team that presents a high tea. Our challenge is about bringing the high tea, the institution that is high tea, into the 21st century. It is about building on traditions in tea in relation to its quality, its preparation, and bringing all that into the 21st century. The main mechanism for that, gastronomy, mixology, pairing, using tea as an ingredient, using tea as a wonderful pairing, as a palate cleanser, but doing it intelligently. Intelligently means understanding that most luxurious element, aspect of tea, which is its terroir. Terroir in tea comes from the confluence of natural environmental factors, from the breeze that blows through the estates just prior to the picking, from the rainfall, from the moisture, the hours of sunshine, so many different factors that give each tea made on a different day, tea made on a different estate, that give each tea a unique signature. It is that signature that is the most potent tool in your hands. As experts in hospitality and gastronomy, in culinary matters, please build on that diversity in tea, understanding the brightness and character of a light Nuarelia, the depth and the maltiness of a Dumbagasthalava, a Navalapitiya tea, taking on the unique oaky character of a Dimulla seasonal flush, of all these different characters that each tea is blessed with, and bringing that into the area of gastronomy, fusion of flavors, and so on. So, the principle that we as judges apply in combining tea either as an ingredient or as a match with food or beverage is that 1 + 1 = 4. Not 2, for the simple reason that a tea in combination with food or beverage must produce a little bit of magic on the tongue, giving an extra sensation, texturally or in flavor, that will produce that extra. In preparation, what we ask you to do is to please be ready with the right water. Tea requires sensitive brewing. Water quality can vary in different places. You need to be attentive to make sure that spring water, water that has a pH value of around 6.5 to 7 is used. We will provide you with good quality water. If you want to go the extra mile, it is your call. Water makes a difference between brightness, special brightness, and possibly a loss of that uniqueness. The Real High Tea Challenge, it's about gastronomy, it's about mixology, it's about presentation, the experience of a quality high tea, but importantly, at the heart of all that is good tea. It is good tea in relation to its variety. It is an understanding of not just how to brew the perfect cup of tea, but why oolong is brewed differently to black tea, why a stronger, meaty dish would require a stronger brew of a black tea to match it. It is an understanding of tea beyond that cup. And as you work on your own Dilmah Real High Tea presentation, what we encourage you to do is to bring all those elements together, extending from the table layout to the teamwork to the presentation of your concept. Ultimately, any culinary presentation that wishes to go beyond requires an explanation of the story behind each tea, and there is a potent story behind each tea. The information is in your packs. Please review the literature that we have given you, understand everything from brewing methodology to the different options. A black tea, for instance, can be made medium or it can be made strong and pungent. It is up to you to decide which is suitable for you. But then to explain the story is what provides that added element of luxury. All the teas are beautiful teas. Each has its own signature and its personality. Please understand these and bring them together in your unique presentation. Remember the tea. It begins and it ends with the tea. gastronomy, culinary, mixology. It's what brings it all together. But it begins and ends with the tea. A properly brewed tea will bring a pairing together perfectly. Too weak, too strong can make it fall apart. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck.